Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Tech Learn with Asi. So today's video is where clause. I have already explained you in my select query some little bit about where clause. So this is the detailed video for where clause. When you use where clause, you have to use certain operators, which is I have already defined, like greater than, less than, equal to, or less than, equal to, not equal to, between, like, and in. I will be telling you these all the things how to use. Before that, I want to tell you that why we need a where clause. So suppose your manager or your client has asked you some of the data, some of the report. Now you cannot give all the data to the client or to your manager, because when someone asks for a report, it may be a 1 month report, or it may be a one department report, or it may be some certain condition. They will tell that they want the report like that. So that's why we need to filter the data. So let's demonstrate all the things one by one. So this is the table we have been using for my last videos. So this is the query. So when you don't use any filter, any where clause, there are 14 rows or 12 rows in your table, and all the row will show. So first thing, I will use equal to. So as I have already used it in my last video, so it is very easy, so that's why I am using the same. Now suppose your manager came, or the person came, and he says that I want all the employees whose manager is Hoover or Harding or Johnson. Suppose Johnson, there is no record for Johnson, so I won't use that. Okay, I will use for Harding. Okay, so I have told you that manager. Now my manager is my manager column, and what is the ID of Harding is 2. So you will get the record of those employees whose manager is Harding, and Harding employee ID is 2. So what we can give? We can give like 2. Now you can select this and you can execute this. So there are 2 people whose employee ID 3 and 4. You can see that the manager ID of these 2 is 2. So they are working under Harding. Now if you the next thing you may get, like next operator, I would say our next operator is greater than. Okay, next report you may ask, like I want to see those employees whose salary is greater than 22,000. So I will say salary, and you can say that greater than and 22,000. Okay, just select, because it is an integer, you don't have to define inside the single quotes. Now there are nobody who is, I think I have to one more. See, there are 11 people who are having the record of 22,000. Okay, one more. Now another is greater than, equal to. I will change little with this 22,000. Okay, if you run now this thing, so here is one salary. See, Hoover is having 27,000. If you put greater than, so this will not return the record of this. When I am saying return, it means the displaying data of that particular condition. Okay, so I will select this and execute. See, now person who's getting 27,000, it's not coming because it is greater than. If you put equal to, now this will come. See, over, he is in sales and he is getting 27,000. This is greater than, like that. You have create less than, so you just need to change the, so less than. See guys, who are getting salary less than 22,000, or you can say that whose commission comes like less than 500. Execute this. Okay, there are two people who are getting commission less than 500. Okay, our next is greater than we have done, greater than equal to we have done, and okay, now equal to we have seen, and not equal to. Not equal to is something that I have done that equal part which is equal to. Now I will first show you the data, then I'll explain not equal to. So suppose something you have got like the department, I would say. Now you can see that 4333 and all. Now I want to see a report of 2, 3 and 1. First department, second department and third department. But I don't want to see the record of fourth department. Any other department is there, that is okay, but I don't want to see the record of fourth department. So what you can do is not equal to 4. Okay, now select the query, click on Control and E, Control E. I am telling you, this is like some of the tricks and tips also I keep on telling you people. So no problem with this. And see, you can see all record are showing, but the fourth number record is not showing. Okay, now you can give the not equal to like this also. Some of the programming languages people use like that also. So same record, same thing. Okay, next our next operator is between. So between, when you use any range, that time you can use this between. So suppose the salary I was telling you, so salary between to 20,000 and 30,000. Okay, here are the list of employees whose salary are between 20,000 and 30,000. That's how we can use between. No problem guys, if you are not understanding this, no issues. I will be keep on telling these things in my videos. So where clause is very useful. I told you that this is a powerful command in SQL to filter the data to get the desired result. So no problem with that. You keep on doing this. How much you practice, that much you learn. Next, this is like. So like is little bit okay. So like operator, when you use a like operator, so this is like I would say like how you use like things, the same way you need to use it. So this is employee name. I will create another separate video for like. For now you can see that if your employee name is like, so it works like a equal, but there are other ways also. I will create a separate video on like, so that I can show you different scenario, like is a big topic. I will show you guys, no issues on that. And in like I will I will tell you in a separate video. For now you just use this. Is also like equal only, but there are some. Okay, so name, because it is I am giving integer and it's another care, so that's why it is getting a error. Okay, employee ID. So this is how the where works, and you can see this. And if you have any doubt or any issues on these concepts, you can comment on the video so that I will reply on the comments. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.